Good evening, Miss Sarana.
Okay, okay, can you hear me clearly, everyone?
Yes, teacher can.
Okay, good evening. Today I'm going to move straight up to a new subtopic. It's still under letters, but before this, you were learning mostly on informal letters, right? Okay, we were writing and practicing a lot of informal letters. Today, I'm going to start out with formal letters. Okay, so I'm sure all of you have access to the Google Drive. Okay, what I want you to do is open the Google Drive. I have pinned the link in the chat box. So even if you joined late, you can still open the link in the chat box. Okay, so open the Google Drive link in the chat box and then go to letters. Okay, the folder which is named as letters. From there, open the document which says formal letters notes. Formal letters notes. It should be like this one. It should be like this. Okay. Send me a thumbs up once you're ready. Okay. Thank you, Joel. Anyone else ready? Thank you, Hirendra. Sama. Thank you, Visha. Thank you, Devnath. Thank you, Davy. Thank you, Boven. Okay. For those of you that just joined, are you able to hear me? Just send me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, thank you. So for those of you that just joined, please check the chat box. I have pinned a message in the chat box. Okay, I have pinned a message in the chat box, which is our Google Drive. Please open the Google Drive and open the folder which says letters, and then open the file which is named formal letters notes. Got it? If you understood my message, send me a thumbs up. For those that just joined, I need to know if you have
Yeah.
understood what I'm telling you.
Can you send the link again?
Okay, I've pinned it actually. It should be there, but it's okay. I'll just send it again. Okay, it's there in the chat box again. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So now very quickly, I'm going to start by talking about formal letters. Okay. How many of you know what is the meaning of a formal letter? If you know, raise your hands. What's a formal letter? If you know, just raise your hands. I'm not going to ask you anything. I just want you to raise your hands if you know what is a formal letter. I just want to know if you know the difference between a formal and informal letter. Everybody knows? Okay. This is a fun activity that I have done with my students in school. Okay. My students are way younger than you actually, but because they are in an international school, they learn earlier. Okay. Now, can everyone see this? Let me just share this. Can you all see this on my screen?
Yes, teacher can.
Okay. So very quickly, can you all read this? Okay, read this. See the instructions from form informal, you're changing it to formal. Read Kara's information note to her grandma. Rewrite the letter on the next page. Okay, you don't have to write next page. Okay, and remember, this is not a test or a task. It's just a small fun activity that we are doing before we start the lesson. Okay, so this letter is informal. How are you going to make it formal? Okay, it's just like an email. All right, so can you please do this now? Just give me a moment. I need to just mute myself and I need to admit the students inside. Okay, I hope you can see the letter now. Can everyone see this? Okay, for those of you that just joined, we are looking at this paragraph, this email or this letter. It is in an informal format. So we want to change it to formal format. So just in your exercise book, try to write out this simple paragraph and make it into a formal exercise. Okay, it's 7:58 now. I'm giving you time till 8, probably 8:03. Okay, can you start now? If you can start now, give me a thumbs up showing that you understand what you're supposed to do. What about the rest? I've only received 3 people. What about the others? Okay. Can everybody see my screen clearly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you can start now. Okay, those of you that just joined, it's okay if you don't understand what you're supposed to do. It's just a class activity in which I expect you to change this passage that I'm showing here. Okay, from informal, you change it to formal. Anyone here is already finished? Anyone here is already finished? Okay, I see only one hand up. If you have finished, raise your hands. Okay, if you are done, please raise your hands or show me a thumbs up. Okay, we are going to discuss. Anyone, any volunteers would like to try? It's a very fun activity. Any volunteers would like to? Okay, Hirendra, go.
From teacher, for the address, I can say any address, right?
Uh-huh.
For the address, I can say any address, right?
You don't even need an address. You know why? Because this is an email.
Oh,
Yeah, so
o-
you don't even need an address. Yeah.
okay. Dear grandmother, how are you? I just wanted to see how you were and let you know how it was how nice it was for you to spend Christmas together. It's been it's been a long time since our last get together. So I had such a nice time just talking with you. The memories you created are priceless. Also, I wanted to say thank you for the watch you gave me. It's
Mm-hmm.
amazing and I totally love it. Anyway, you're the best grandmother ever. I cannot wait to see you soon. Let's have some fun. Um, I will treat. I will buy for you. I will treat you to cupcakes the next time we meet. From Kara.
Okay, basically, how you do this is I'm going to copy this text, okay, and I'm going to show you all on how you're supposed to actually write it. Okay, can can you all hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes, teacher. Sorry, I was still like
Okay, so basically, how you're going to do this is I'm going to show you the way of how this is done. Okay, so you all you can take a look at this. Wait. Don't know why is my laptop lagging. Sorry, my laptop was lagging. Okay, everyone can see this? Can?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher can.
So this is the original. I'm going to put here as original. Okay. Original. Okay. And I'm going to do the changed here. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Now this WhatsApp, I'm going to change it to I hope you are doing well. I am. When you're writing formal, you cannot use like I apostrophe am. Your I am has to be complete. Okay. I am writing to you to share a, what a wonderful time it was spending Christmas together. Okay.
Okay.
The it has been a long time since we had our last family gathering. It was great to have some time to relax and spend quality time together. The memories made were truly precious. Another thing is,
Teacher, I can also say, I also wanted to say
okay, that's nice. I also wanted to say
that I also wanted to say thank you for the watch you gave me.
thank you so much
For the watch you gave me.
for the watch you gifted me.
You
Okay,
gifted me, yeah.
you gifted me. I
I
really
really love it. I really
like
like
it
it.
or love it. Up to you. Okay, I really like it or love it.
You are the best friend
Instead of saying you're the best, you can say I am blessed
with such an amazing grandmother.
to have such an amazing grandmother.
Grandmother. You know, teacher, to have such an extraordinary grandmother.
Yeah, you can even use extraordinary, nice vocabulary. Okay,
Teacher, that one will
extra.
give us extra points, right, for using extraordinary.
Yes, you might get that. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can say I look forward
I look forward to meeting you again.
to meeting
Teacher, you wrote, I look forward to meeting
to you again real
again
soon.
real soon.
We will have
We we will
even
have
better
an even better
times
time
the
as our
the
and the
next time
next time
we
we meet.
get.
We get together.
Yes.
I buy for you some cupcakes to share.
Okay.
Teacher, I'll buy for it's just the cupcakes, so I'll buy for you some cupcakes for us to share.
Okay. In the next time we are together, I'll bake some. You can say, I will bake you some cupcakes for us to share. Okay. And then instead of saying XOXO, you say love, you put your name. Do you understand? Everybody got it?
Yes, teacher, got it.
Okay, just put love and then your name. Okay, love.
Love Cara. That's the name there.
Okay.
Cara.
Now, can you see the difference? I'm going to share this Google
Yeah.
Docs link with you. All of you see in the chat box.
You haven't sent this.
Okay. Can you see the difference? I've already sent the link now.
Teacher, you need to give access.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, done. Everyone, please look at the letter.
Okay. Damn, teacher, the first one, the original. I feel like I'm talking to a friend here.
Yes. So it's all about being respectful, and also the words that we are using. We cannot use words like I'm, you're, gonna, wanna. You cannot. Okay. You have to
Okay.
you have to do it like I am, we are going to, I want to, I would like to. You have to use full sentences and not short forms. Do you understand?
Yes.
Everybody got it? Okay. So now I'm going to
Yeah.
show you another activity. Can you see this? Everybody can see
Yeah.
this?
Oh,
So
I get it. It's like the
okay,
one like
you just have to pick if it's a formal or informal register. Okay,
okay,
two
wait.
minutes. 2 minutes gone.
Still, I
Two
can do it in
minutes.
1 minute.
Okay, I give everyone 2 minutes. Okay, all done? Everybody done? If you are done, just put a thumbs up. Okay, who wants to try the first one? Speaking with a friend. Is that okay? Hirendra, tell me.
Speaking with a friend, informal.
Okay, next.
Informal. And
Which one?
next, treating it formal, then informal, formal, informal, formal, formal, informal, formal.
Okay, greeting and acquaintance. Okay, acquaintance is not a friend. At the same time, it's also not like
It's like a partner, like
yeah.
you
So you
getting to
still
know
need to
someone.
you still need to use
Right.
a bit of formal. It really depends. It can be informal also. Okay. Okay,
Teacher,
writing a
teacher,
text
my teacher
message.
said acquaintance is formal.
Okay, but if you're quite close, then not really. Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, it really depends. What about writing a text message? Okay, writing a text message is informal. Okay, writing a letter to a cousin. Okay. Meeting someone new. Wait. Okay, yes. When you meet somebody new, of course, you can't be too damn comfortable with them. Okay. What about chatting with your mom? Chatting with your mom. Chatting with your mom. Informal. Okay. Writing a persuasive text in class. Anyone else? Nobody else wants to try?
Informal.
Okay.
Formal.
Talking to the principal.
Formal.
Writing a note to classmates.
Informal.
Speaking with a teacher.
Formal.
Okay. Now we are going to get a little bit serious to our real task today. So those of you that just joined, I am going to share with you the Google Drive link all over again. Okay, once you open the Google Drive link, you go into the folder which is called letters. Once you open the folder that is called letters, open the document that is named as letters, formal letters, notes. Okay, quickly, and just give me 2 minutes, please. Okay, so now this one is an original formal letter that you use in school for writing in your exams and everything. Okay, everybody has opened the document on Google Drive. If you have, please raise your hands or show me a thumbs up. If all of you have, okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Everyone else? Don't tell me only 4 people opened it. Now only 5, only 6. Where are the others? Make sure you are responding in the class, yeah? Okay. Now look at this text. Okay. So formal or official letters must be short and to the point. You cannot go all over the bush. You cannot. Yeah, go Hirendra, please go. Contents must be clear and easily understood. Okay, first thing you must write the sender's name and address. Okay, sender. Who is sender? Is it you or is it the person you are sending it to? Who is sender? Are you the sender or is the person receiving the letter from you the sender? Who is the sender?
You.
Yes, it is yourself. You are the sender. Okay, so your name and your address, and then you have to draw a line and then the name and address of the recipient. So sometimes you don't have the name, you can write their designation, for example, the manager. But if you have the name, you can write the name. Don't forget to write their company. If it's a person in the company or if it's your lecturer or your school teacher, then you write the teacher's name. Do you understand? Okay, and then the address. One line below, same line as the last row of the address, you write the date on the right hand corner. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, and then you start up with a salutation. After the salutation, what's the subject of your email? For example, application for the post of graphic designer. This is like a job application. Okay, opening. I wish to apply for the position of graphic designer because blah, 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 blah. 2 to 4 lines is already enough. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. I'm looking forward to a favorable reply. Thank you. That's your conclusion, your closing. Okay. The 1, 2, 3, 4 there, you don't have to write in bullet points or number form. Unless you are required to do a list, then yes. If not, just write it like how you write any other letter, but come to the point, don't have to go all over the bush. Okay. Signing off, you can say best regards or you can say yours faithfully. And then you put your signature. Below your signature, there must be a line. After the line, you have to put a bracket and write your full name in full capital letters. Do you understand? Everybody got it? Okay, thank you for focusing. Now the format is given to you, which is very good so that it's easy for you to understand later on. Now look at the following page. Okay, this is the format and the guidelines. Okay, this one. Like I said just now, the name and the address of the sender, it has to be at the top left-hand corners. Okay, a comma after the writer's name, the postcode. Okay, this one is the same like how in the formal letter, informal letter. Is the only difference. Informal is on the right-hand side. This one is on the left. And you need both sender and recipient address. Okay. Date has to be at the right side of the letter. Same line as the last line of the recipient's address. Okay. Salutation. Sir, Madam, Dato, Datin, all this you can use. Faham? Okay. Subject. What is the subject? For example, let's say you want to take a day off. You're writing to your teacher that you want to take a day off. Will not you're saying will taking a day off tomorrow. Then you put the date. So what's the date tomorrow? Okay. And then opening or introduction. What is this letter about? Okay. For example, you are saying I, Hirendra, for example, will not be able to attend school tomorrow due to blah 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 reasons. Understand? Okay, and then the body. What is the main idea of the letter? The details and some elaboration. Okay, write in a few paragraphs. Each paragraph. If you don't want to write in a few paragraphs, you want to finish it off in one paragraph, also can. Okay, if it's very short lah. Then the closing is when you say thank you or you tell them you look forward to get a reply from them, because usually we write this kind of letters is for requests. We want to request something. So of course we will wait for the person to reply to us, right? So we say, I look forward to receive a reply from you. So far, so good, everyone? Yes, thank you so much, Rendra. The one given in the chat box, if you would like to copy it in your books, you can. Okay. Signing off, bottom left-hand corner. Use yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Signature, like I told you just now, follow the format. That's it. Everything is already given. Now, this is a sample question for number one. Can all of you do this question? I'm giving you 10 minutes to finish this question. If you can, please put a thumbs up. What about the others? I want to see at least 10 thumbs up. I have 17 students here. Okay, do this question. If you can't see from my screen properly, you can open the Google Drive, go to the folder which is called letters, open the document which is called letters, formal letters, notes. Okay, guys, are you done? Are you done? Okay, great. Anyone here wants to share your
Next.
thoughts with everyone? Hey, take the water bottle. Anyone here wants to share with anyone? A little bit. Okay. Hirendra, do you want to share? Yes, can you press my elbow back? Yeah, can you start? Okay. Even if you don't want to give me the whole essay, it's fine. Just read the instruction, okay? You had encountered unsatisfactory service at a restaurant in town. In about 120 words, write a letter of complaint to the manager. You may use the notes below to help you. So the opening, okay, first thing, what do you have to do? You're writing a letter. So it need not have address and all that. It can be an email. So if it's an email, it's something like what we did the activity just now in before we started class. It's just like dear sir, madam, something like that. Okay, you can put dear sir, madam, and then your subject will be unsatisfactory service at your restaurant. Do you understand? Because you're writing to the manager or whoever it is. Okay. So when you start the letter, you're immediately coming up and you're saying the purpose of this letter is to express my disappointments or dissatisfaction at your restaurant during my last visit, for example. Okay. There were a few there were a number of shortcomings in your restaurant that I would like to draw your attention to. Okay. Then you can say, on March 21st, my friends and I had dinner at your restaurant around 7:30 p.m. Firstly, our meal was a letdown. Okay, when you say a meal was a letdown, what does that mean? What does it mean for a meal to be let down? Who can tell me the meaning?
It's not coming up to the expectation.
Yeah, it was not up to the expectations. It was not so nice. Okay, and then we've ordered fish and chips. We ordered in fish and chips meal. The fish was not fresh and the portions were too small. Okay. In addition, the dish was also very cold and we could not finish the meal. Okay. Secondly, your service was ridiculously slow. You can say that. Okay. My friends and I had to wait 30 minutes for a cup of coffee. And when the coffee arrived, it was not hot. Finally, when we were settling the bill, we were shocked to see that the meal was overpriced. Okay, that's it. You just straight away go to the point, finish. No need to talk so much. Go to the conclusion. I would appreciate your kind consideration to take heed of this matter in to avoid the risk of losing more customers. Okay, what is the meaning of take heed?
What take hint?
Okay.
Take
Take heed, take action.
the
Okay,
action.
okay. Hirendra asked me if he must have the address. Kirindra, if you're writing this as a letter to be posted, then yes, you need the address. But if you're writing this letter to be sent as an email or a review, then you don't need an address. Do you understand? Okay. Now, um, you see down here, oh, it's already been given. No wonder all of you so smart. Okay, the tips here, write in present tense because we are imagining that this just happened to us. Okay, use linkers like firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, followed by, and all that. Okay, here is an answer sheet. How many of you have already looked at the answer? Raise your hands if you have already looked. I don't mind if you have looked at the answer because right now we are only discussing. Okay, just realized. All right. So here is an example. Okay, this one, I think it's a letter that could to be posted. So that's why they have the address. So the sender's address, which means Serena is the one that went to the restaurant and had a bad experience. And the manager, MSG restaurant, the manager of MSG restaurant. So everyone, please don't go to MSG restaurant. Okay. Dear sir, madam, a letter of complaint. I would like to bring to your attention a number of shortcomings in your restaurant. So you need to label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you need to write it in paragraphs. Do you understand? If you understand, show me a thumbs up. Thank you, which shows that you're all paying attention. I appreciate it. Okay. Number 2, on 21st March, my friends and I ordered fish and chips for dinner. Firstly, our order arrived 50 minutes after reminding the waiter twice. The fish was stale, the portion was small and cold. All 3 hours did not finish our meal. Another tip that I would like to give all of you, when you're writing this kind of information, which is very important, and you're bringing light to the person that needs to know, it would be good if you could highlight or bold the parts which are important. For example, reminding the waiter twice. The word twice can be bolded. 50 minutes can be bolded. Portion was small and cold can be bolded. Okay. Number 3. Secondly, our coffee took 30 minutes. The word 30 minutes also can be bolded to arrive, and we had to return it for a hot replacement. Then the bill arrived promptly. We were shocked with the grand total. The meal was hugely overpriced. Okay, what is promptly? What is promptly? Who can tell me what is promptly?
Promptly, promptly means like straight away.
On promptly means like on time and perfect. Understand? So
Okay.
what they're trying to say here is the bill alone came promptly. Others nothing was okay. 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 Number 5. Please take heed of the above issues or risk losing more business. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Serena Lee. Okay. So this is one example. Before we finish class, this is another letter. You wish to apply for the job, the point of a part-time sales assistant. In about 120 words, write an application letter. This application letter is similar to the example that you saw up here. Okay, this job application one. Do you understand? If you understand, show me a thumbs up. Only Hirendra and Scarlett, is it? What about the rest? Okay. Now, before we end the class and call it a night, please do this exercise. I'm giving you about 5 minutes. Hirendra, you Google Drive link and go to the document yourself if you feel it's blurry here. Okay, done? How many of you are done? Some of you are still doing? Okay, I'm going to end the class now. Can you please do this task as your homework? Do a complete letter, and I'll see this next week. Okay? Everybody can? Thumbs up if you understand. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Teacher,
Yeah.
can I ask you that I normally didn't join that much of class because of problem, teacher.
Mm-hmm.
So can I ask that if the essay format
Okay.
it's supposed to be like always like you have to write the numbers like 2, 3, 4 for the body part.
Yeah, you have to write it like that.
For informal,
If informal, you don't have to write like that.
or just write like a
Yeah,
stop
you know our Google Drive. I have the link there, right? The Google Drive link.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You can join the Google Drive link and you can see I have the notes for formal and informal also.
Oh, okay, teacher.
Okay. Any questions, you can just check in the Google Drive, or in the next class, you can ask me.
Okay, teacher. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for asking. All right.